This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include keyless ignition, power-adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a 12-speaker audio system, satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 20-inch wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a security system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.